Hello all, this is Vicky. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to build a spell checker in Python. A spell checker is a software tool that will help to check for missed spell in our text. These spell checking tools are often embedded in software such as word processor, email client, electronic dictionary, or search engines. To build the spell checker in Python, we need to install the supported packages, and for that we need to install pip install textblob. Okay, I get a response saying that requirement already satisfied since I installed before itself. Now let us import this package from textblob import textblob. Okay, I get an error saying that from textblob import textblob. Okay, yeah, make sure you give the correct class name here. Now let us instantiate this particular class. Say tb equals textblob dot, just pass in the sentence, I want a football. Now let us check the spell is tb dot correct. Okay, yeah, we are able to see I want a football here. Okay, now let us try with some different samples. I want to play football. Of course, I have a typo here. Let us check for that. It says I want to play football. Now how can we overcome this particular set of errors? And for this we'll be building a custom spell checking AI algorithm. Now let's see how to do that. And for doing this we will be installing a package called spello. Pip install spello. Okay, yeah, it's got installed. Now let us see how to build a spell checking algorithm. For this I'll just import the package, spell correction model. Now let us instantiate this spell correction model, and we need to pass in the argument language, and this en stands for English. And for building this particular spell checking algorithm we need a sample set of sentences. I have a set of data in my working directory. Now let's read that particular file with open sample underscore data dot txt, and I'm just giving it as a read mode as file. Now I'm just creating another variable called data dot file dot re lines. Okay, now let us have a look at the data. Yeah, this is how the data will look like. Now we do have some /n characters here. Now let's trim that out, and for this I'm just using the data variable here to override. I'm just creating a list comprehension for I in data, I dot strip. So this will remove that extra symbols. Okay, yeah, we are able to see the clean data now. Now let us train the spell checking algorithm. sp dot train and we just need to give the list of sentence weights. So as of now, like for our case, it is data here. I'm just feeding it. Yeah, we are able to say spello training started, context model training started, simspell. Yeah, I'll just explain. So what are all these things? As of now, we got our spello training completed successfully. So since we have 5 samples in our data set, so we are able to build this model in a fraction of seconds. If we have some thousands of data, so it would be taking some time. Now let us check our results. So for doing this, sp.spell correct, and we just need to pass in the sentence. So our dataset sentence will have the sentence I want a football, so it says I want a football. Now let us try with a different sentence. Now I want to play football. Yeah, we are able to see the corrected spell the errors. Yeah, it says I want to play football. The original text is I want to PALY football, and it now says PLAY football. And another feature we can see here is like we can able to save this particular algorithm. So how we can do that? So for that, just type in the object name sp.save. That's it. And you need to give the directory. Let me see what is my working directory. Okay, I'm just giving this directory name. Yeah, it's been saved to this particular directory. Now how can we actually load this particular model? If you see, like, this particular model.pickle is being saved here, and it has like 31.5 KB. Now let us load this particular file, and for loading this we need to import a package called pickle. Import pickle. Now let us see sp.load. Yeah, now our model got loaded, and we can use the same method saying that sp.spell correct. Now let us test with another set of sample. I eat cherry. Yeah, you see this, I have actually missed one R here, and our spello algorithm actually corrected that particular thing. So friends, this is how we can actually build a spell checking algorithm. Thank you.